Hello guys. Welcome back to the channel. This video is about how to create a new Laravel project. Before creating new Laravel project you must install Composer to your PC. First go to Laravel Documentation website. Get the command for installation. Copy the command line and create a folder inside the xampp hdocs folder for our new Laravel project. Go to the created folder and get your terminal. Paste the command line and rename the project name and click enter. After that you can see your project installation. After installation open your project. Now run the project with php artisan serve command. Copy the port and paste it on new tab. Now you can see the project run successfully.